Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into 1 over e to the power of 2x. Next, I will multiply by e to the power of 2x on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put u, that's about integration by substitution. So I will put u equals to e to the power of 2x. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2e to the power of 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. E to the power of 2x dx we change by du over number 2. Next, I will multiply by u on numerator and denominator. So for this one, u multiply by 1 and 1 over u, that should be like this. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So in this situation, I will put 1 over 2 go to u and negative number 1. So I will put a over u square, b over u, and c over u plus 1. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why we have 2 fractions. And later that we need to reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. Now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u plus 1. So capital A multiplied by u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u and u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u square. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u square, we have b plus c. About u, we have a plus b. About the number, we have a. Now let's compare coefficients. We don't have u square in here, so b plus c equal to number 0. About u, we have a plus b, but in here we have 1 over 2. So a plus b equals to 1 over 2. About the number, so equals to negative 1 over 2. And now we create the system of equations. So we have a equals to negative 1 over 2. Now we put this one goal here to find the value of b. So b equals to number 1. We have b equals to number 1 we put in here, and we can find about c equals to negative number 1. So I will put ABC goal here. A equals to negative 1 over 2. B equals to number 1. C equals to negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of negative 1 over 2 over u square. We have 1 over 2 over u. The next one is about ln of the absolute value of u. This one we have ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This one we have 2s ln of the absolute value of e, and this one we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.